How to delete a TikTok story. Latest update 2024. TikTok has been updated, and with it, its features. One of the changes is the way to delete a story. With each new update, the position of the delete story option changes, so I have already made 2 tutorials on the deletion process. If you have an older version of TikTok, I will leave links to those tutorials in the video description. Let's get started with the process of deleting a story on the latest version of the TikTok app. Open the TikTok app on your phone. Then press the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, click on your profile picture to open the story you want to delete. To delete the story, you need to swipe up. A window with views will appear. No one has viewed my story yet. To delete the story, click on the trash can icon in the top left corner. In the window, confirm the deletion of the story by clicking on Delete. And your story will disappear. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Follow our channel for the latest digital news.